Hey everybody, Chef Derek here from the Ingles table with an amazing new recipe for you. It's my very own pasta salad, of course, with a special Chef Derek twist on it. We've already been to Ingles and got all these great ingredients already cut up for us, and now it's time to get started. So the first thing I did, I went ahead and prepared my pasta ahead of time. I got some veggie spiral pasta, cooked it for 8 minutes al dente, put a little olive oil on it, and got it ice cold. So all we're gonna do, we've got our pasta. We've got about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and hemp seeds mixed. Pour those in there. We've got some spiral cut zucchini, again, right from our local Ingles. They have it all cut up for you. I've got some diced red onion. We're gonna throw that in there. We're doing about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of each. If you like vegetables, throw more in there. It's not gonna hurt anything. Now the tricolor bell peppers are chopped pretty big at Ingles. So all I'm gonna do a rough little chop on there, break them down just a little bit, sprinkle them across the top as such. And then I have a yogurt balsamic dressing that we're just gonna pour across the top. And we're gonna toss that around in this bowl here. Just like that. You don't want to really mix it up and break the pasta up. Just toss it around a little bit. That's a good job on there. I've got my presentation bowl already done right here. And what we're going to do is just pour it in. And what I like to do, we've got all our ingredients in there. Take some cherry tomatoes, drop it around. You're going to put about 1 dozen in there, however many you like. Throw some more red onions, make it nice and pretty. And there you have it. That is a great balsamic pasta salad that I'm sure all your guests are gonna love. And that's it. And I know your family are gonna love this wonderful treat. I wanna thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table, and make sure to enjoy the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.